Hi everyone, check out the K3 Clothes Rack, a heavy-duty organizer with 8 shelves and 4 hang rods. Measuring 14 inches wide by 74 inches long and high, it can be assembled in straight or L shapes to fit your space. This sturdy rack holds up to 970 pounds evenly, perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or cloakrooms. Made from durable carbon steel, its thick pipes and metal wire shelves resist deformation and add stability. The adjustable shelves move in 1-inch increments for customized storage of clothes, shoes, bags, and more. Assembly is simple and flexible, just follow the instructions carefully to get started. If you have any questions, the customer service team is ready to help with any issues. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.